What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a Dior unboxing coming up and we also have a little something from Louis Vuitton. If you've watched my previous videos you might already know one of the two pieces that I got from Dior, so I would say let's get right into it. I got this beautiful Dior Saddlebag for Christmas. If you're interested in some more details about this bag, I have an own unboxing video for that. I will link it for you here on top. And I actually really love this bag. I didn't expect that I would enjoy wearing it so much because I was always a little bit critical if the shape of the bag will be practical. Although the bag has this very special wavy shape, it still does fit all my necessities. I have to say that I usually don't carry too much with me. A phone, a card holder, my keys, a hand sanitizer and a lipstick, and that's it for most of the time, and for that the size of the bag is perfectly fine. The only thing that can become annoying is the fact that the bag doesn't come with any longer strap. You only have the short strap here, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but I think this is not the most comfortable and practical way to wear it. So usually I wear this bag in the crook of my arm, which is also not the most comfortable because you don't have two free hands. Dior is offering straps to add to your bags. If you're considering to buy a saddlebag, you just have to be aware that the longer strap is not included, so you have to buy it separately. And let me tell you, the strap adds up a lot on the final price of the bag. Currently they go for about 900 euros depending on the style, which is crazy in my opinion. So if you prefer wearing your bags over the shoulder with a longer strap as I do, you should definitely take this into account when you're considering getting a saddlebag. Of course you can use such a strap also for other bags then. There are many options design-wise. There are the classic versions with the Christian Dior lettering, but they also come in the oblique pattern or in houndstooth, and there are quite a few different colorways available. The classics are the black and white, the grey and the navy blue one. There are some really nice neutrals such as white and gold or beige and black, but there are also some more popping designs available such as light blue, animal print, oblique with metal details, or a very deep pink and blue combination. They also come in different lengths and widths. The shortest ones have a length of 95 centimeters with 5 or 6 centimeters width. Then there's a medium option with 100 centimeter length and 3.5 centimeters width. And the longest ones have a length of 110 centimeters and a width of 3.5 centimeters. One thing to be aware of is that the broader ones are not adjustable, while the smaller ones come with a buckle, so you can adjust the length of the smaller ones a bit. Alright, enough waffling, let me show you which strap I got. Let's open the box. It still came in this beautiful seasonal packaging with the golden details, very pretty. So let's open this up and have a look what's inside. So I got the black and white strap with the classic Christian Dior lettering. Let me take it out. So this is the one in the broader version. It is 95 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. And let me tell you, it was really not that easy to decide for which one I should go. Now let's attach the strap to the bag. So you basically have to put it between the C and the D on this linking part here. Let me show you. Like this. And this is how the bag looks with the strap on. So this length is perfect for wearing it as a shoulder bag now. At first I thought that the broader one looked a bit weird on me, but when I tried on the smaller one it looked a bit boring, so the broader one is definitely more of a statement. And what I preferred on the smaller one again is that it is adjustable, so I was really torn between these two options and wasn't sure which one is the better one. For wearing the bag crossbody, the broader strap is a little bit too short if you ask me, and I'm not very tall, so for people that are taller than me it would definitely be a problem. But as I used to wear my bags on the shoulder most of the time, I ended up deciding for the broader one because it looked better as a whole in my opinion. Let's see what I will be saying after wearing the bag with the strap for a while. I hope that I won't regret not getting the thinner one with the buckle to adjust the length, but for now I'm quite happy with my choice. Besides the strap that I planned buying, I also spontaneously got another small piece that I've been eyeing for quite a while, actually for over a year or so it wasn't really an impulsive purchase. I actually don't even know why I didn't get this piece earlier because I really like it. Let me show you what it is. You can probably already tell by the small box. It is a jewelry piece. Let me try to remove the ribbon. This small and dainty ring from the DiorRevolution series. It has this Dior lettering here and then it has this little crystal aside. I will include some detailed shots so that you can see it a bit better. When it comes to rings, I prefer thin and dainty designs as they're comfortable to wear because you almost don't notice them, and you can also build some really nice stacks and combinations. Dior is generally one of my favorite brands when it comes to dainty rings. I will blend in some shots of the current models they have in store. I think they're all super pretty. I actually try to avoid fashion jewelry because the quality and the value is obviously not comparable to fine jewelry, but I also did not make any bad experiences with the fashion jewelry I own so far, so I thought I'd give it a go because I really like the delicate design. It's such a subtle piece, so it's perfect for every day, and yeah, as said, I really like it and I couldn't resist. Last but not least, I got myself a little something from Louis Vuitton. Let's get this out of the bag. So we have a bag in a bag. Let me open that up. So it is a perfume, and this is actually the first time for me trying out a Louis Vuitton perfume. Let's take it out of the packaging. So it looks like this, very pretty, and it has this beautiful golden lid on top. Let's open this up. Also gold on the inside. And this is how the bottle looks like. I got LuxuryShopping, which means the day begins, and I think this is the perfect name for this scent because it is very fresh and lightweight. It is a flowery, fruity, citrusy scent with notes of mandarin, blackcurrant, jasmine, and peony, I think. So it's really lightweight and it's a perfect scent for spring, and yeah, I really like it. So good. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in all things fashion and mainly luxury handbags. And I would love to see you in my next video. Bye!